Well, guys, today I decided to do a mow, just clean my yard, and so I find out that it's no power go through to the starter. So what I did is I thought it was the battery, but guess what? I got a new battery in there, so it's not the battery. So I said, well, anyways, because it's a new battery, maybe can be a bad battery. So what I did is I hooked my battery tester in there, see how much bolts that I have, and guess what? I got 1270. Well, barely can see. 1265, 1270. So not the battery. I mean, we can go through to a different diagnostics to find out what exactly it is. But what I found it's I mean, it can be probably a simple tip, or first check before you start doing anything else. So I'm gonna show you something that you maybe help you out on the way to diagnostic. So let me show you what can you check first. Okay, here we go. Now, see, when you can see, I got this the safety switch right here on the seat unplugged, and I did the a jumper in there, so I don't have to be I'll be sitting on it to get it cranking. So it's just a bridge right there. And then first thing that you need to do is go. This is Arians 33, I believe, 34. Arians 34. But I mean, every tractor they should have the that stuff that I'm gonna show you right now. So first thing, you have to find a fuse. It gotta be a fuse somewhere on these tractors, almost on any tractor. You have to find out what it at. On this one, it should be right here. So what we're gonna do is gonna press this top down, this one too, and then we're going to pull this loom harness out, and you will see the fuse right there. So this is a fuse right there. That's the first thing that you have to check on almost on any tractor. You should have that. It should be all the times 20 amps fuse. And guess what? Look at this fuse. Hold on, let me get it. If you can see right there, it's gone. It's blow. That then it's gone already. So we can barely see, but it's broke already. So this one it's gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap another one. I'm gonna put another fuse in there, and I'm gonna try to crank it. See what it do. It's working now. The 5.4 is running now. So I hope that tip helps you a lot, and see you next time.